Welcome to PrecisionTradingSignals.com, the most powerful tool every trader must have. Today's date is February 11th, 2011. Now we have our first signal generated for today, which is a long for the Dow Mini Futures contracts at a price of 121.71. Once again, our first signal is a long at 121.71 with our initial stop placed at 121.52. Once again, our initial stop is placed at 121.52. Now that would be an initial risk of 19 points, which may seem a lot, but for the Dow Minis, you have to understand the price that we're dealing with. I mean, we're trading at around 12,000 and change. 19 points is really not a big swing for these particular contracts. Now, we do have a trailing stop, which was placed at 121.59. Our strategic trailing stop was placed at 121.59, which further reduces our risk to 12 points. Once again, our new risk is at 12 points. Well, as we can see, this trade is working out very nicely. We are in the money for around, we're almost there, almost 20 points already. And I always suggest that people trade multiple contracts, at least two. This way, you're able to scale out of a position, out of a winning position. And it's almost impossible, especially if you're going long, to catch the absolute top of any trade, or if you're short, to catch the absolute bottom. What we're basically looking to do is scale out of a position. If you have two contracts and you have a good entry, as we do now, we could have already sold some at around 12,190, and basically keep stepping up the stops. Or there are many different ways to exit a position. We could take the top Bollinger, for example, which will be at a price of 12,199. Well, we're gonna let the trade develop and see where this is gonna take us. Quite exciting, as you can see. Quite exciting. I must say that that this particular signal generating system that we've developed quite exceeded all of our expectations. For all those who aren't familiar with our site, I suggest you visit us at www.precisiontradingsignals.com and navigate through our website. Over there you can find our spreadsheets with all our signals generated going back a year. Yeah, guys, this is not any fluff. This is the real deal right here. And we are very excited to share this with you. As you know, one of our missions here at this site is basically to help catapult every trader to the next level. You may already have a working system that's going for you, certain type of indicators that you follow, but especially in this day and age, trading is becoming more complicated with all these various black box systems and algorithms. But yeah, we're extremely excited, and we're doing quite well right now in this trade. We've been in this trade about 40 minutes already. If you do visit our website and look over our spreadsheets, we have all the data necessary for you to take a look at. All the signals that were set up for the day. We average anywhere between 3 to 5 signals per day, and for the Russell 2000 mini futures contracts, we average about 4 to 5 points. Now, we still have a lot of data that we need to put together for the Dow. that we haven't yet. First, we started concentrating for the Russell 2000 minis, and we've seen that this worked, quite well with the Dow as well. So we're in the process of gathering all the information necessary as we speak, and that will also be put on a spreadsheet for everyone to take a look at. And here we go, guys. We broke 12,200 to the upside. Quite an exciting time, I must say. Quite an exciting time. I mean, we haven't seen these levels since since June of 08, I believe. June of 08. We have some more exciting news as well. I believe is taking this market to the upside. Egypt's president Mubarak has officially stepped down today. So I think we're having a huge run in the market. There's a lot of excitement going on worldwide. A lot of reform. And because of the reform, looking for democratic societies to flourish, which will help trade and hopefully make the world a better place to live. So that's why we see a lot of excitement. I'm putting that aside regardless. We don't trade off of news here. We really, the news usually is factored into the markets. I mean, this is an aberration. But putting that aside, our signals that are generated. Oh, look at this. Price reach of 12,247. Very nice. 12,247. Which is a maximum potential profits of 76 points. Now, in case you guys aren't familiar, every point move in the Dow minis is equates to $5 per contract. So if we have a potential profit of 76 points, that's $380 per contract. That's the potential, ladies and gentlemen. You do the math. Looks like we have our second signal for the day. Generated as a short at 12,206 with initial stop at 12,219. As you can see, our trailing stop is at 12,208. This is our second signal for the day. The Dow Mini Futures contracts. We have a short once again at 12,206. An initial stop of 12,219. Like I was saying before, we don't trade off of any type of news or any type of economic numbers, earnings. We don't really care about any of that. I mean, our product works unlike any other on the market today. Our system of engineers are brilliant and came up with a signal generating system that basically leaves a distilled, pure market price action momentum, crystal clear trading signals. I mean, here you have it, folks. It's a beautiful thing. And we're letting this trade develop. So far, we are short 12,206. And the good thing is we concentrate on two types of futures contracts, the Russell 2000 minis and the Dow Mini Futures. And one of the advantages to that is, we don't have to look through thousands of different stocks or mutual funds or bonds or currencies and whatnot. I mean, we have two markets that we focus on. Here's the trailing stop. Trailing stop at 12,208. Which basically reduces our risk to 2 points, which is absolutely phenomenal. Yeah, 2 point risk on the Dow. Oh, look what we got here. And it seems as if we've got a winning trade here, ladies and gentlemen. Price reached 121.92 for a maximum potential profit of 14 points. Combining our two trades, our last trade and this trade, our two signals generated 90 points. That's right, ladies and gentlemen. Once again, we generated 90 points of maximum potential profit. Now, 90 points times $5 is $450 per contract. Now, we're not going to catch the absolute tops or the bottoms. We realize that. However, if you even take a small percentage with multiple contracts, you would have walked away with quite a profitable day today, ladies and gentlemen. And this will conclude today's session. And please tune in for tomorrow, same time, same channel. This is your host and veteran trader, Albert A. Love. Thank you.